Hello engineers. Today we are going to discuss about laminar, transition and turbulent region of the boundary layer. When an object is moving through a fluid, a boundary layer is created around it. The nature of the boundary layer changes as it passes over the solid boundary. When Prandtl did an experiment, he found that the nature of the boundary layer doesn't remain the same. He is the only person who told that when solid boundary comes into a contact of fluid, a region of relative velocity near a solid boundary will form. We called it as a boundary layer. He experimented with flat plate and he found that the nature of the boundary layer changes along the length of the flat plate. On this curve, the velocity is 0.99 of u infinity if this is u infinity. Boundary layer thickness, it is a distance measured from a solid body to that point where the velocity is 0.99 of u infinity. As you can see that the boundary layer thickness changes along the x. So boundary layer thickness del is a function of x. As x changes, the boundary layer thickness also changes. During the experiments with a flat plate, Prandtl found that up to particular length, the nature of the boundary layer is a laminar. This region is a laminar. After some distance, it converts into turbulent. And this small region is called as transition zone. As we know that Reynolds number determines the nature of the flow, whether the flow is laminar or turbulent. What is Reynolds number? That I have explained in the previous part of this video series. At a particular point in the boundary layer, the value of Reynolds number is such that laminar flow converts into the turbulent. The respective Reynolds number is called as a critical Reynolds number. R critical. This point lies near the transition zone. Value of the critical Reynolds number for a flat plate is 5 into 10 raised to 5. If the value of Reynolds number is less than this value, then the flow is laminar, and if the value of the Reynolds number is greater than 5 into 10 raised to 5, then the flow is turbulent. Once again I am telling, this is the leading edge. From the leading edge up to some distance x, the flow is laminar. After the laminar flow, the flow is in transition zone where it started to become turbulent. After the transition zone, the flow becomes fully turbulent. Reynolds number changes along the x because Re is equal to rho phi x upon mu. This quantity, these three parameters remains the same, only x changes. As x increases, the Reynolds number also increases. I hope you understood the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.